In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning bullet chart in Power BI, step by step. If you're looking to elevate your data visualization skills, you're in the right place. A bullet chart is a great way to compare progress against targets, and Power BI makes creating these visuals smooth and intuitive. So let's dive right in and explore how you can easily set this up. First off, fire up your Power BI application. If you're new to Power BI, simply look for the distinctive yellow icon on your desktop or in your programs list. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. Here, you can start a new report or open an existing one. For this tutorial, I'll assume you're starting fresh. Now direct your attention to the right side of the Power BI interface. This is where you'll find the visualization pane. It holds a variety of chart options and customization tools. You've probably noticed the plethora of chart types Power BI offers, but don't worry, we'll focus on adding one specific type today, the bullet chart. Next, go ahead and locate the three dots or the ellipsis on the visualization pane. This is your gateway to accessing more visualization tools beyond the defaults. Clicking on these dots will open a menu with an array of options. We're going to utilize the search function here, making this process quicker and more efficient. In the search bar, type bullet chart. If you don't see any immediate results, double check your spelling just to be sure. Once the bullet chart option appears on your list, select it. This action will add the bullet chart to your report canvas. Power BI might take a moment to load the necessary files or updates, but once it's done, you'll have a new tool at your disposal. So with the bullet chart now in place, it's time to customize it to reflect your data. Adding your specific data to the chart is crucial, as this is where the magic happens. You'll want to drag and drop your desired dataset onto the bullet chart in the fields area. Typically, you'll want to compare an actual value against a target and possibly include additional ranges to indicate performance thresholds like bad, satisfactory, and good. Feel free to adjust your parameters to best fit your data story. As a final touch, spend a little time tweaking the aesthetics of your bullet chart to align with your brand or reporting standards. You can adjust colors, add data labels, and customize fonts to ensure the data is not only accurate, but also visually appealing. And that's it! You've successfully created a bullet chart in Power BI. With the simple yet powerful visual, you can now present clear, concise, and impactful data insights that can drive better decision-making in your reports. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this one, where we'll explore other dynamic tools in Power BI to maximize your data storytelling abilities. Thanks for watching and happy charting!